Hi students, so the question that we are solving now is when type B agglutinogen is not present on the surface of the RBC of a person, his plasma would contain agglutinin A, B, both A and B or none. So for solving this question, we need to understand what is agglutinogen and what is agglutinin. Okay. So what is agglutinogen? Agglutinogen is basically called as antigen and it is present on the surface of the RBC. Okay. Now agglutinin is also called as antibodies and they are present in the plasma. Okay. So agglutinogen called as antigen and they are present on the surface of RBC, and agglutinins are called as antibodies and they are present in the plasma of the blood. Now we study antigen and antibodies when we study blood group of human being. So we'll see for which blood group which antigens and antibodies are present in a person. So we'll see for different blood groups, and the antigens will represent antigen as Ag and antibody as Ab. So let us consider the people which have blood group A. The antigens that is showed by these people are A, that is present on the surface of RBC, and antibody present in the plasma is B. Now for blood group B, the antigen present is B on the surface of RBC and the antibody in the plasma is A. Now the another blood group that we have is AB. Now for AB, antigen on the surface of RBC is both A and B and there is no antibody present in the plasma. Whereas we have the last blood group that is O, and for such people they have no antigen and they show antibody both A and B in the plasma. So this is how blood group of the people show different antigen and antibodies on the surface of the RBC and in the plasma. Now from this it is very clear that never the antigen and the antibodies matches with each other. They are always contradicting. Now the reason of this is because when the antigen and antibody are same, for say if antigen A is present on the surface of the RBC and antibody A is present in plasma, they causes coagulation. They causes coagulation of blood. Hence blood clots inside your blood vessels, which is not favorable because the flow of blood will stop and hence it will cause your blockage in the arteries. Okay. So this is why the antigens and antibodies are never same. Hence we understand when we say that type B agglutinogen or type B antigen is present on the surface of the RBC is not present. Okay, so here it is not present on the surface of the RBC. So can we say that definitely it will present in the agglutinin in the plasma? Yes. So if A is not present on the RBC, if A is not present on the RBC, it has to be present in the plasma. So similarly here we are solving for B antigen. So when B antigen is not present in RBC, it will definitely be present in plasma. We cannot surely say if both A and B will be present, but we can surely speak about B. So the correct option is B, that is when type B agglutinogen is not present on the surface of the RBC, it will definitely be present in the plasma. So the correct answer is B. Okay. So with this we end up with the question. We'll see you in the next question.